Hey, what's going on, y'all? I wanted to do a quick update on this profile that I've been building for a while. Y'all been watching me build this since day one when it didn't have nothing on it, just a blank number. And so now I'm doing my final video on this. I told everybody that once these primaries reported that we would go in here and do this. So I'm gonna log into my credit report and let y'all see what's going on. Um, I told you primaries are real. They post. We got them. We do them. Now, if y'all recall all the prior videos I did when my scores fluctuated, went up and down, my credit scores changed, things of that nature. Now the primes on there, everything is ready to go, and we got a pretty good score here. So I posted some of this the other day on Instagram. I don't really use IG or too much social media too much, so I really don't know how to do it. You just probably hit hashtag real credit now to see it. I did post it on there, but I wanted to show y'all this account, you know, and we're gonna take a look at this right now. This is my login information, and here it is. Now this is on all three, but Credit Karma only shows 2 bureaus, but it originally posted on Equifax. So as you can see, as I told you before, primary will always say either individual or a joint right here. This is an auto. Now if you guys recall, I didn't have this on my credit report. You can look at my my last reports, and you can see that this was not on there. This were just reported the 9th of this month. It originally showed up on Equifax, and then a couple days later it showed up actually on here. So you can see the account details right here. It's got a 25K balance. It shows you the age here, which is 4 years and 7 months old, and it is a primary. And as you can see, as a result of that, it has actually boosted my scores up. It's on Equifax here too. So like I said, they report to all three. Here it is again on Equifax. Let me go back up just in case y'all missed that. It's right here on Equifax. So it's on there. So you can see that primaries post, well, ours post, and we don't have any issues. And so I'm not gonna make this video real long. I just wanted to show y'all that you can build a CPN with AUs and primaries, and all you got to do is once you get your primaries on here, you'll be good. Now in the other video I showed y'all what I got approved for with those small primaries, and so like I had mentioned in that video, which was the power of primaries, you can maybe go over to the sidebar or something and catch that video too, just to get a update on and an add on to this. So what I was saying is that if I can get approved for a $5,000 card and etc. with a primary that is only a couple $100 and a couple years old, what would you get approved for if you had a $25,000 line of credit that's a primary on your credit report and it's 2-3 years old? And the proof is there. You guys seen the report, and so I'm gonna do the same thing with this one, and we can do this for anybody. This primary here took about 36 days to report. There's a little paperwork involved with it, and this comes from an actual real auto finance company. So it's just not done, and that's that. It's a little work involved. We actually got to really work. And like I told you guys from the beginning, if you can't prove it, it's not real. So I think I just proved this to y'all. So historically, we can go back and look. I haven't been in my credit report too much since I think the last video. I checked it a couple of times. I was getting email updates saying that there have been some changes to my credit report, but I hadn't checked them. So but what I want to do is I want to see if I can go back into past credit reports. The last time I remember, it took me a minute to get to the final ones, and I couldn't find it because I really don't like to use Credit Karma like that. So let's see if we can find this. As you can see, my old address is still on here. This is from authorized user as well as this. There's my name. I'm going to show you guys the file again too, so you guys know it's me and I'm not faking nobody out here. Let's see, full credit report is right here. I'm trying to recall how to go back through the dates on here. Oh, here we go. All right, so September the 6th. We can just go back to this day here, and then it'll show you that this wasn't on there. Okay, now this is going. I want y'all to see this is real time. So if I type something in here, hopefully it'll just pop up. See? Okay. All right, but let's not do that because I don't want it to click off that page. All right, 749. Okay, as you can see, it only has 3 accounts, nothing else. Okay, it's not on there then. Now you can see that says 3 accounts. And we can click over and look at the counts real quick. As you can see, there's nothing on here. Now you guys see Equifax right here. It reported to Equifax. Here's my 3 cars. There's nothing else I can click on down here to show you any other accounts. We can go back. Let's go back to March real quick. Let's just go back real quick, just so we can recap. Right here, I had 2 accounts, just Capital One and Synchrony. No missed payments. February right here. And we can go back to. Let's go back to November. Let's go all the way back to the beginning when we started this journey. I had nothing on here. 0 accounts, 1 inquiry, which was that. This is the day that this was done. No accounts. So now, that didn't change until this latest one. Not even in any of these dates here. So we got primaries and they post, as you can see. So I don't want you guys thinking that anybody out here can just do anything and just not back it up and prove it. Y'all seen all my videos. Hopefully y'all got your notification on, because when I upload this, I want everybody to see this, and I'm going to upload this as soon as possible. But I do want you guys to know that the CPN can be done. We can match them to your birth date, and you won't have any issues, So the primaries post, the AUs post, you guys seen when I did this, from not having no score to having 774 from AUs to primaries that report. So I'm not going to do another part of this for the what other bureau are we looking for? Equifax, Experian, I'm sorry. I could do it. I've already pulled it, and it's there. If anybody wants to see it, I'll send you a screenshot. Just shoot me a text, call my phone, or cell, or email me. I want y'all to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, if it helps, if it's real to you, if it proves it. And I want you guys to turn on the notifications, like me, all that good stuff, man. I work hard for y'all and for myself as well. I don't want nobody ever thinking that what I do is not real, because my company motto is, if you can't prove it, it's not real. So I'm going to switch this, and I'm going to show y'all my credit profile real quick, and so you can see that this is still the same profile we've been working on. All right, so this portion right here shouldn't be that long. Y'all can see my name. Y'all can always rewind and go back, see the address and phone number and everything down here. Of course, I had to block my number out, but you can put in these first 5 digits in any kind of system that tells you about Social Security number will be valid or what, and it'll tell you the actual year that this number was issued. We can backdate them, and that way you don't get flagged on your CPNs and everything. You can hit me up online to get it. You can email me, not at this email. This is the email on there. You guys know it's jimseniorrealcreditnow.com. Or you can just go on the website. So I'm gonna end this video. All this stuff is here. You can pause it, look at it, rewind it, whatever you need to do. But this is real, and you know we got it. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and please sign up for the notifications. You know, the more you share, the more we do, the better we do, the better you do. Also, we're also doing free trade line giveaways. So I do them on the 24th of every month. But you gotta like, you gotta subscribe, you gotta share it. Person that has the most shares win. You gotta tag me or something in there so I know you did it. And person with the most gets the free trade line. Not nothing little. We give you a big one, give you a score boost. So we got a lot of good things going over here at Global. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. I don't know when I'm gonna do another one. Make some comments down below if it's something that y'all want to see specifically done, and I'll give it my best shot to do it the best way I can. So until the next video, I wish y'all the best, all the financial success in the world. This is Jim. Hit me up, like me, subscribe, share. Appreciate it. And on that note, I'm gonna end this video, and y'all be blessed.